In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube short automation videos by using AI. Step 1. Define your video concept. Determine the purpose of the video. Is it for marketing, education, entertainment, etc.? The concept I pick is interesting facts about history. Step 2. Since we're done choosing our topic, next thing we're going to do is go to ChatGPT and search about our topic we choose. Once we're done making our script, let's go to Google and find footage about our script. Step 3. Once we're done researching footage, next thing we're going to do is find a voiceover for our script. Again, we're going to use AI. Now what we're going to do is go to tts.free.com. Don't worry, it's completely free and has no quota limit. Now we're going to do is find a good AI voice that fits to our video. Now we're going to use guides since it fits to our video. Let's go back to ChatGPT and copy paste our script. And click Convert and download it. Step 4. Since we have our script and voiceover, now we're going to need editing tool software. The tool I choose is CapCut. It offers a clean and intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate and use, even for those new to video editing. Next thing we're going to do is edit our video. Go to CapCut and import the voiceover and media about our topic. Once we're done importing the files we need, next thing we're going to do is drag the clips and audio that we import and let's start editing our video. If you want to see the result, watch till the end. Once we're done editing our video, last step we're going to do is upload it to social media platform that we choose. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to stay updated for our next video. Thank you for watching.
One interesting fact about history is that Cleopatra VII of Egypt lived closer in time to the moon landing than to the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza. Cleopatra reigned from 51 to 30 BCE, while the Great Pyramid was completed around 2560 BCE, and the moon landing occurred in 1969 CE. This illustrates the vast expanse of human history and how our perception of ancient times can be skewed.